So bored. Where am I supposed to go? Oh man. Oh, is that a ceiling fan shop? Let's go. Wait, where's the entrance? Oh, there it is. Oh, clean myself. Ooh, look at all these fans. Also, guys, this is actually my ceiling fan shop. And yeah, it's wobbly fans. The back over here, this is the back. Like usual, yes, this is a voiceover because I forgot to use my microphone, but yeah. And it's dark, so we can't barely see, So yeah. Ooh. So yeah. So yeah, this is our house, and yes. Ooh. Monkey. Oh yeah, this is cool. Oh, wait, customer? Hello? Wait, let me try my mic. Hello, you need us? You need me? Come on. Oh, no, he doesn't like me. Okay. So, this is my shop, and yeah. Oh, customer? Oh, he changed his mind. He does not like it. Get away. Oh, yep. Okay, my regular me, so no one be scared of me. Okay. Yes. Hello, sir. Welcome to. Do you want to go to my shop? Sir. Okay, he doesn't like me. Okay. So, if you see something like that, like a fan, oh, run, sprinting. So, here's my logo, my fan logo. It's really cool. Ooh, customers, I need customers. Hey, Tran. Oh, Tran. No, he's gone. Okay. Okay, almost. Oh, it's actually kind of dark. I'm just going to sit here and wait. Alright, we're back. After like 2.5 years of waiting. Okay, so back like usual. Okay. All the fans. I like this one. Oh, I really like this one because it has 5 blades. 5 blades, yep. And this one is useless because it doesn't work. Wait, does it? Oh, okay. Okay, it doesn't work. See, it barely moves. Okay, so that's the useless fan. All the fans are supposed to be useful, and I really like this one because it only has 1 blade barely wobbling. And I really like this one too, 4 blades. I like this one, it's because it's wobbly. And ooh, what's this? Oh, wait, entry, hello, I need entry. Okay, ooh, your house is really nice. I want to look around. Wow. Okay, let's go back. So if you see a fan logo like that and everything's gray, that is definitely me. Okay? And yeah. And if you see a character like this, then that's me. Yeah. Okay, so yeah. Like and subscribe or your house is gonna get nuked.